So this is the next question. Two sources of sound, they are represented, they are separated by a distance of 4 meters. They both emit sound with the same amplitude and frequency. So what is given? The distance between the two sources, which is nothing but 4 meters, suppose. So x, we can write it as what x is equal to 4 meters. They both emit sound with the same amplitude, so amplitudes are same. A1 it is equal to A2, and frequencies are also same. That means N1 it is equal to N2 it is equal to 330 hertz. So this word of frequency is same, but they are 180-degree out of phase. They are 180-degree out of phase. So this is what the explanation. Okay, 180-degree out of phase. You can write it as what delta also. You can write delta it is equal to 180-degree, which is equal to pi radians. Okay, but this is not belong to the same one wave. This is belonging to different wave. They are 180-degree out of phase means if suppose one wave is having a starting with a crest, the another wave will start with trough. If one wave is starting from the crest, the another wave will start from the trough. Okay, so this means what? It is 180-degree out of phase. At what points between the two sources will the intensity of sound be maximum? So to find is what? Points between two sources where intensity of sound is maximum. So what do you think in the stationary wave? What are that positions? So at node the intensity of sound will be maximum, or at antinode the intensity of sound will be maximum. So obviously at the antinodes, because it is what larger displacement, so intensity of sound will be maximum at the antinodes. So that means what is to be calculated? Position of antinodes. The points, that means what? Position of antinodes. What we are interested in, position of antinodes. Okay, in short, we are interested in position of antinodes. Yeah, very good. So this one information is missing over here. Without that information, you cannot solve this numerical. That is the velocity of sound. Okay. So if this frequency it is what 330, so we can say that velocity of sound is what 330 meters per second. But this is not given in the question, so we can write it as what assume. What this is assume. Without velocity, you cannot solve this numerical. Okay. So formula is v is equal to n lambda. Okay. First, we are going to get the value of lambda. First, we will calculate lambda. Okay. So, solution. What lambda it is equal to? V divided by n. So, V it is what 330, n is what 330. So, that means wavelength it is equal to 1 meter. Wavelength it is equal to 1 meter. Now, these are the two speaker system which are connected to the same, we can say DVD player or TV. They emit sound of nearly equal frequency, nearly equal amplitude, but they are out of phase, 180-degree out of phase. Okay, and moreover, the distance between them is also given. The distance between them is what? 4 meter. The distance between them is what? 4 meter. This is the distance 4 meters between them. So if suppose this is what one way which is starting like this, so this is going to be 1 meter. Okay, that means what we are interested in, we should divide, because this is what 4 meter and wavelength is what 1 meter. That means 4 waves will be present. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this, 4 waves will be present. So this is going to be the first wave. This will be the second wave. This will be the third wave. This will be the fourth wave. So 4 wave will be present. And the second speaker will emit the wave 180-degree out of phase. 180-degree out of phase means if suppose this is what the like this the wave will be there. Such that it is forming what? It is forming stationary waves. What it is forming? Stationary waves. Okay. So suppose this is what a center line. This is what a center line. So this is what center. So what we are interested in? We are interested in the position of antinodes. So let us mark the antinodes position. So this is the first antinode. This is the another antinode. This is the another antinode. This is the another antinode. So what is the distance between the first antinode? So this is what node at the center, what is forming node, and this is what antinode. So distance between node and antinode is what? Lambda by 4. So first distance is what? Lambda by 4. What is the second distance? If you see from the center, you have to get the distance. So that means this is what the distance between node and node. Distance between antinode and antinode. This is what? Lambda by 2. So this is lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Right? What is the distance between this node and this center? So again, this part is what? This part is lambda by 4. This part is lambda by 2. Again, this part is lambda by 2. So this is lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Again, what will be the distance between this antinode and this center? This distance will be lambda by 4, lambda by 4. Oh, sorry, lambda by 2.
3 lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4.
So this is what? Lambda by 2, antinode and antinode, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, and lambda by 4. So this will be lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Okay. So this is what the positions. Okay. So not only on the one side the positions are, on the another sides also the same thing is there, right? So we will write plus and minus. What we will write? Plus and minus. Okay. So we can say the positions are, what is the position? First position is what? Lambda by 4, plus or minus lambda by 4, because it is not only on the right side, it is there on the left side also. Right side is considered to be positive, left side is considered to be negative. So plus or minus lambda by 4. Another is what? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Another is what? Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Again, this will be plus or minus. This is going to be plus or minus. What is next position? Plus or minus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. It is what? Lambda. Lambda plus lambda by 4. What is next? Next is what? Plus or minus 3 lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. So these are the positions. Now substitute the value of lambda and get the value. Therefore, the positions are, the first one, plus or minus lambda is what? 1. So we can say 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is 0.5, 0.25, sorry, or it is 0.25. So 1 upon 4 is 0.25. So 0.25 it is written in your textbook. So we'll write like that only. So this is 0.25. Okay. Next is what? 0.25 plus 0.5. 1 upon 2 is what? 0.5. So this will be plus or minus 0.75. This is going to be 0.75. This lambda by 4 is 0.25 and this what? 1. So this what it will be? Plus or minus 1.25. Okay. What the next answer will be? This is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is what? 1.5 and 0.25. So this will be 1.75. Plus or minus 1.75. So these are the positions. These are the positions. So I hope you understood this, right? Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. This is the final answer.